Hi, welcome back to Trivia Tuesday. We're in our 6th week since we last had a Trivia Tuesday in person. And while it's still not ideal, we are making it work. And thank you to people who have emailed me or commented and given me suggestions for different topics. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoy today's edition. Let's start with something to do with population. Now, I want to know what city in the world has the highest population or the largest population. It's not New York because New York's population only puts it at the 11th largest in the entire world. It's not Mexico City because it's got a pretty big population at 21 million people, but that still only puts it at the 5th largest or 5th most populated city in the world. Also, interestingly enough, none of the cities in China have the highest population according to 2018 estimates. Shanghai, China is only city number 3 with over 25 million people. I will tell you this though, the city with the highest population is in Asia. It's not Delhi, India, which comes in at city number 2 with a population of 28 million people. Are you ready? If you want to, you can pause, but I'm going to give you the answer right now. The largest city in the world by population is in Tokyo, Japan, with over 37 million people residing in the Tokyo metropolis. That is a huge number of people. Almost unbelievable in some cases, but it's true. 37 million people. All right, let's keep going. My next question moves from population to geography. And I want to know, what country is the largest in land area? It's not the United States. Our country only comes in at number 4 of the largest countries in land area. Do you need a hint? The largest country in the world in land area is not even in North America. So that excludes Canada too, although Canada is the 2nd largest country. It's not Brazil, which is country number 5. And if you were thinking China, China is only the 3rd largest. The largest country is so large that it actually spans 2 continents. Did that help at all? You can keep guessing, but I'm going to tell you that the largest country in the world is Russia at over 6 million square miles. To put that in perspective, the United States has only, and I say only, 3.5 million square miles of land area. Russia is huge. Let's keep going with this theme. I kind of like it. Let's talk about another large item, though this one comes from the animal kingdom. What I want to know is what creature was reported to have the largest eyes? And the largest ones ever recorded were measured at 15.75 inches across. No, it's not the elephant. Elephants might be large, but their eyes only measure 1.5 inches across. And also, it's not a whale. Most whales have eyes that average around 3 to 4 inches across, and even the blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, only has eyes about 6 inches across. Which is actually, I learned this, it's actually about the same size as a cow's eyes, which that seems bizarre to me that the largest animal in the world would have eyes that really aren't that large at all. Are you ready for a hint? Here's my hint. It is a creature that does live in the ocean. This creature is also pretty elusive, only being photographed in the wild in 2004. Any guesses? I'll give you one last clue. This creature has the word giant in its name. You can pause and keep guessing if you want, but the creature with the largest eyes in the world is the giant squid. There's some speculation that its large eyes are to help it tell dark water from even darker water, which can help it evade predators such as the sperm whale when the shadow of the whale passes overhead. It's kind of like a warning for them to dive deeper. Who knows? We don't really know why their eyes are quite that large, but it's an interesting idea. All right, let's keep this trend going. And I want to know, what is the largest of the cat family? I know that a lot of people might think that the cat known as the king of the animal kingdom would be the largest, but that's not accurate. Lions, though we might call them the king of the jungle, are not the largest member of the cat family. The largest cats can be over 300 pounds. And regardless of what a certain current show might seem to convey, I don't think these cats would make very good pets. Did you guess? It was a pretty big clue. A big clue for a big cat. That's right, tigers are the largest of the cat family. Again, pretty huge. So, are you ready for a phobia? Let's do our phobia. This week's phobia is hippopotamonstrous sesquipedelophobia. And I want to know, what is hippopotamonstrous sesquipedelophobia a fear of? Some people shorten it to just sesquipedelophobia, which I prefer. Any guesses? I know that some of you already know this one because you've brought it up to me before in class, and because it's, hint, hint, fairly ironic in its meaning. Do you need another hint? I can give you another clue. Hippopotamine, the beginning of the phobia, actually means something very large. Do you have more guesses? It's not a fear of large things. That's megalophobia, which I thought was too obvious for my large objects or large things topic for today. I'll give you this one more hint. If you have this phobia, you would probably be afraid of the phobia's name. Are you ready for the answer? I will tell you that hippopotamonstrous sesquipedelophobia is a fear of long words. I love that one. I clearly don't have that fear. I like long words. Well, that's it. That's all I've got for you today. I miss you all. I hope you're enjoying Trivia Tuesday with me. I enjoy doing them. And until next week, be safe, be healthy, and wash your hands.